Hello, I am Petroniciu. This is the second part of my video about URLSession and Codable. I create this video because in previous video I make some issues. First issue, I don't pass my process of the main thread in this part of code. And second, in URLSession I using DateFormatter, but this DateFormatter work incorrect in real device, and now I change this. For example, and now I explain what I changed. First, in content view, I put my process on the main thread in this part of code. In the main thread, I assign a new value what we take from our API to our all-cat_fact property. And also, in URLSession, I create a custom DateFormatter. And then I assign this custom DateFormatter to our decoder for decode date what we receive from our API. And now, when we run our simulator or when we run our application in real device, our application will be work correctly. For example, and now when we run our simulator, you can see all data what we download from our API display correctly on our application. This means all change what we make in our application work correctly. This is the end. Thank you for watching.